After a car accident in South Carolina, you might be asking whether you need a lawyer or whether you can just handle it on your own. It's a fair question, and I'm going to give you an honest answer. I'm Jess Gooding with Goings Law Firm, and what I would tell you is that potentially, if what you're dealing with is only a very minor fender bender and you're certain, absolutely certain that there are no other injuries involved, like maybe your car was hit and you weren't even in it because it was parked at a store parking lot, for example. In a situation like that, you probably don't need a lawyer. You'll be dealing with a property damage only claim, and you can probably just work directly with your insurance company to get it resolved. But if you have any injuries at all, even ones that may seem minor at first, I would strongly encourage you to seek experienced representation from a lawyer who knows exactly what to do after you've been in a car accident. Insurance companies have entire departments built to minimize what they pay you. They employ adjusters, analysts, and defense attorneys, all of whom are highly trained, highly experienced professionals who are literally paid to focus on closing your claim for as little money as possible. It's not necessarily a conspiracy. At the end of the day, it's a business model. But insurance companies charge you as much money as they can in premiums and then focus on paying out as little money as possible in claims. And that's why insurance companies are some of the most profitable and powerful corporations in the world. So when you're hurt in a car accident and you don't get a lawyer, you're negotiating alone and learning how to do it in a car wreck case on the fly, since this is probably your first time dealing with something like this. And when you negotiate alone, you're up against professionals whose job it is to make sure you get less. Getting a lawyer on your side levels that playing field. We know how to document your claim, how to value your injuries, negotiate with the adjusters, and take cases to trial whenever necessary. Studies consistently show that accident victims who hire attorneys recover significantly more, even after fees, than those who don't. Here's a real-world example. I had a client who almost accepted a $12,000 settlement. He came in for a second opinion though, and I was so glad that he did, because we reviewed his records, helped him document his injuries, and helped him to understand all of what he was entitled to claim as fairly compensable under the law. We put together a 200+ page settlement offer for the insurance company, and though it took a few months of back and forth negotiations, we ultimately settled that client's case for $97,000. There were some special things going on in that case that helped us to get such a great result. And I'd be happy to tell you about those things when you call in and talk to us about your potential car wreck case. But the general point is that this is what can happen for you when someone is there to fight for your rights, someone who knows the system. Our firm, Goings Law Firm, has been recognized by Super Lawyers and Expertise.com, and we've recovered millions from insurance companies for accident victims across South Carolina just last year alone. We take cases on a contingency, which means you don't have to pay us anything unless we win. And because of this, there is no financial risk to you for reaching out. We encourage you to do so that you can be armed with the knowledge and know better for yourself the answer to that question. Do I really need a lawyer after a car accident? Give us a call or shoot us a text today, 803-350-9230, and we'll be looking forward to having a candid conversation with you very soon.